Welcome to Artistry Tips. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to prep natural nails for nail extensions. So the first thing I always have my clients do is just wash their hands. The second step I would do is take some acetone and remove any nail polish that they have on their nails. My client today, she came with her bare nails, so I didn't have to do that. The third step would be to file the nails and cut them if necessary. And then after that, you want to take a cuticle pusher and gently push back the cuticles. And yes, prepping is important. Like, if you do not prep correctly, your nails will lift, they will not last long. So prepping is crucial. Okay, so once you have all of the cuticles pushed back, the next step that you want to do is remove the shine from the natural nail. If you look at your nails right now, if you don't have any tips on or anything, your nails have a natural shine to them. It's because your body produces like oil. So that's what you want to remove. You're not trying to file away at the natural nail because you will hurt your client. If you file too much, think about it, it's a natural nail. Like, you're gonna file away at the skin and possibly hurt your client. So you want to be quick. You don't want to keep the drill or file in the same spot. And you want to get as close to the cuticle as possible, because when you push back the cuticles, it exposes a little layer of skin, and you need to remove that layer to prevent lifting. Also, I did want to mention that the sanding band that I'm using is just the one that came with my nail drill. I have like a whole little package of them, so I'm going to use those up before I branch out to any different ones. And also, I always change out my sanding band per client. Like, I never use the same one, just because, yeah, we don't do that. Okay, so right here I switched drill bits, and this is called a cuticle ball. I got this from Young Nails. I will have the link in the description box in case you're interested. But this is to just get closer to the cuticle to remove that layer of skin that I mentioned earlier. You can get a lot away with the regular sanding bit, but I find that since I incorporated this cuticle ball into my routine, that the nails are lasting way longer. I guess just because it gets closer than what the sanding band could do. It's also very safe to use directly on the skin, so I definitely recommend this. I know that they have other cuticle nail bits that I'm going to try, but this is the one that I have for now, and it's been working great. Okay, so once you're done using the nail drill, you want to go ahead and remove the dust from your client. And the next steps, I didn't record myself, doing them, because I want to make a more in-depth video and show you guys how to add nail tips to your client. So I'm just going to tell you guys just to know. So next thing I would do is dehydrate the nails, add the nail tips, then add the protein bond. If you were doing acrylic, you're fine after that, but if you're doing polygel, you would have to add a base coat, cure it, and then proceed, But everything that I use is going to be in the description box. I use the Gelish nail surface cleaner, Young Nails protein bond, and these nail tips. This video is helpful and informative. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on social media.